Did you know you have the option to create thousands of free embroiderable fonts with the free Quick Font program that came with the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3? Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we're going through all the amazing features of the sewing side and embroidery side of the Epic 3, and there's a complete list of videos in the description below where you can start binge watching them from the beginning. Well, one of the things that people don't realize that they have is the ability to create additional fonts than what was included with the machine. Now, I will tell you, the list of fonts that are built into the Epic 3 these days are actually quite epic. I will tell you that. But then, all of a sudden, you're like, gosh, I wish I had a font that was more an outline, or maybe an applique, or of a different style, or with a different fill, or I want to make it bigger. So you want to explore more. So whether you are a Mac user or a Windows PC user, there is a free program on the mySewNet.com website. We'll put a link to get the free downloadable software. I will tell you that the Quick Font section is kind of hidden in this free software. So use the Help menu to locate where the Quick Font is. Now, I have found many people kind of just give up because they either can't find it, or they don't know what they're doing, or they don't know how to use it. So we created the Quick Font online course. So we take you through all the levels, whether you're a Mac user or PC user, we do it on both. We talk about how to create a little kind of sample book of ideas. So when you are exploring different fonts, now these are fonts that are from your computer that you download and then turn them into different types of embroiderable fonts. Like you'll be able to turn it into an applique or just an outline, or fill them in with some other fun options. These are some that I've just played with. Some turned out, some don't, so you just have to keep playing. And also, too, we talk about how big you can make fonts. So those are, I think, 4 inches tall-ish, and all the different things that you can do with them. You'll have different options, whether you're a Mac user or a PC user. I will tell you the softwares are slightly different, so you want to learn which ones are for you. And then here's how the fonts come over to your machine. Now, let me back up. I mentioned about fonts that are built into your computer. Well, there are places where you can get thousands of free fonts that you download into your computer, and then those are going to be an option for you to digitize and bring them over. So when you put them on a USB stick, so I have one of those in my machine, I'm going to actually bring up a font that I recently created from a totally different font that was on my computer, and I'm going to just do A, and I'm going to do B and C because they're going to kind of sometimes mush together. So at times I have been known to put like little spaces between my letters and spread them out. Now you can kind of see that they don't always turn out like perfect, so the spacing can be a little off. But what I did with these is, instead of putting them all on a line, I actually brought them in individually. So I brought in an A, brought in a B, and a C. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to space them out based on what I want. So if I choose this one and make it go to the center, pick my C, I have the option to get it exactly as close or as far away as I want. And you'll have exactly what you need. You'll be actually creating the size of those designs on the computer before you save them. So you can save this in like a small size, a medium size, and then like a super size, which is all so fun. We're going to walk you through all those steps in that online course. But if you want to try it out on your own, the links for the Quick Font program, and again, it is a free program that you can download to your own computer, are going to be in the description below. I hope you'll check out all of our online courses. We have tons for you to learn. Again, this is one part of the machine I don't think people use to its fullest. Most people don't even know it even exists in the first place, which is why I get so excited about showing people how they can create brand new fonts and give more options to their embroidery projects. I hope to see you in one of our classes soon.